going to see a DT based video, the techniques for prompt engineering. So the students of third year CSE B sections will explain one by one. So before that introduction, so I'm going to give a short notes on the prompt engineering. As we all know that what is meant by a prompt? So it is a process of giving input to the system. So based on the input, the system has to respond it. The input may be a command, sometimes text. So it depends upon that. So whatever we need, whatever we can give, the system receive that input, and based on that input, based on such an algorithms, so it gives the response. So why we go for the optimization? In general, if we want to increase the efficiency, so we need to perform an optimization. So it is not only in prompting. So wherever we use this, wherever we apply some new technology, some new algorithm, so we must optimization. So similarly, in prompt engineering, so we have to perform the optimization for an effective increasing the efficiency and overall performance. So it increases the AI model, the overall performance and the efficiency. So this is a basic introduction of prompt engineering, prompt optimization. So here next we are going to see what are some similar techniques are used in the prompt optimization. The students will explain all these techniques one by one.
Hi, I'm Kavya. In the empathize stage of design thinking, the focus is on understanding the user needs, expectations and context. When it comes to prompt optimization, this means identifying what the user actually wants from the AI system. Many times, user gives very general or unclear prompts, which leads to value outputs. For example, a prompt like explain machine learning does not specify the level of detail, target audience or purpose. So we need to think from the user's perspective. Are they a beginner, a student or professional? Do they need a simple explanation, technical depth or example? By analyzing these factors, we can design prompts that are more centered. Empathy helps us to bridge the gap between human intent and AI understanding, ensuring that the generated responses are meaningful, relevant and easy to understand.
Hello everyone, myself Lokesh. Now I will explain about the define part. In the define stage, we take the insights gathered from the empathy phase and convert them into a clear and well-defined structure problem statement. In prompt optimization, this involves framing precise and specific prompts that guide the AI effectively. A poorly defined prompt such as tell me about AI can lead to broad and unfocused answer. Instead of a well-defined prompt would be explain artificial intelligence in simple terms with real-life examples suitable for beginners. This stage includes techniques such as adding context, specifying the desired format and setting constraints like length or style. For instance, asking for answer in bullet points or step-by-step format improves clarity. By properly defining the prompt, we reduce ambiguity and increase the chances of receiving accurate and useful response from the AI system. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Naveen Kumar. I'm going to say about the ideate. In the ideate stage, we explore different ways to improve prompts by generating multiple variations and experimenting with techniques. Prompt optimization is not limited to a single approach. Instead, it involves creativity and testing. Some effective techniques include role-based prompting, where we assign a role to the AI, such as act as a teacher or act as a data scientist. Another method is step-by-step prompting, which encourages the AI to break down complex problems into smaller steps. Additionally, few-shot prompting involves giving examples with the prompt to guide the AI's response style. For instance, providing a sample question and answer helps the AI understand the expected output format. By ideating multiple prompt styles, we can identify which approach produces the most accurate, clear and useful results. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Kishore. The final stage is prototype and test, where we implement the prompt and evaluate the output generated by the AI. The stage is iterative, meaning we continuously refine the prompt based on the results we receive. If the output is too complex, we simplify the prompt. If it lacks detail, we add more context or constraint. For example, modifying a prompt to explain AI in 5 bulletin points with simple examples can significantly improve the clarity and the structure. Testing helps us identify the errors, inconsistency, or gaps in the response. We can also adjust the tone, format, or specificity to better meet user needs. Through repeated testing and refinement, we can achieve highly optimized prompts that produces reliable and high quality outputs. This stage highlights the prompt optimization is not one-time task but a continuous improvement process. Thank you.